हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक। मार्केट्स बहुत साइडवेज, बहुत रेंज बाउंड, टू एन एक्सटेंड कंफ्यूजिंग। तो कुछ हुआ है नहीं इस वीक में। एंड आई वेरी क्लियरली रिमेंबर कि व्हाइल वी वर डूइंग द वीकली राउंड अप, हायर लेवल पे एक रेजिस्टेंस की बात हुई थी, लोअर लेवल पे सपोर्ट की बात हुई थी। हाई लेवल का रेजिस्टेंस हमने मंडे को चेक किया था, लोअर लेवल का सपोर्ट्स जो है वो वीक थ्रू हम विटनेस करते हुए गए। तो अब इस कंफ्यूजन वाले मार्केट में करना क्या चाहिए, पता करते हैं एके से और देखते हैं। गुड इवनिंग।
Good evening. Good evening. How are you, Rajit?
As always,
Hmm.
Fridays they always make me confused. Where are we heading? What are we doing? And why is this actually happening? All of it, like कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है।
देखिए रचित, बेसिकली व्हाट हैज हैपेंड ओवर द वीक इज, अगर आप ब्रॉडली निफ्टी को देखें
हम्म।
तो कुछ भी इम्पैक्टफुल आया नहीं है. ओके. we when we move towards the higher band of nifty, current band of nifty, if you tell me, if you remember the last talk, we I gave you a band of nifty, typically 24,300 to 24,770, which is also coinciding with the 200-day moving average, correct? तो ये जो
Right.
इस बैंड का जब हायर सेगमेंट में जाते हैं, मतलब टिपिकली 24,600 के ऊपर, तो एक एक सेल ऑफ आता है. इट इज काइंड ऑफ अ सेलिंग जोन. द मार्केट्स गेट अ लिटिल हैवी. थोड़ी सेल ऑफ आती है जो हमने देखी ये पूरे वीक में. यू कैन से दैट दिस कुड बी बिकॉज ऑफ एनीथिंग. You can say that earlier in the week the crude moved up to almost $90. I think 88 का कुछ हाई टच किया था क्रूड ने. तो
Hmm.
आप उससे कोरिलेट कर सकते हो. Speaking of news specifically to India,
Hmm.
we have not had any further macroeconomic data which says things are good or bad, whatever. Corporate results, few of them have been very good. It
Hmm.
has already seen, but that is really stock specific movement. अगर आप इस वीक में देखें तो notably your Titan's result was excellent. तो
Hmm.
stock took the rewards for it. इस वीक में अगर आप पिडलाइट का देखें या बॉश का देखें तो ये तीनों स्टॉक्स काफी अच्छे मूवमेंट आया है. इनफैक्ट आज एचएएल में बहुत अच्छी मूवमेंट आई है. दीज आर वेरी रिजल्ट स्पेसिफिक, stock specific kind of movement. We talk about markets as a whole.
Hmm.
Markets as a whole में कोई there is no defining news or event that has taken place in this week. So which is why when
ब्रॉड
we are
बेस्ड मूवमेंट नहीं है, स्टॉक
correct, correct.
स्पेसिफिक मूवमेंट है। राइट,
करेक्ट,
राइट।
करेक्ट, करेक्ट. दूसरी चीज ये है कि अगर आप देखें इस वीक में एक मेजर चीज ये हुई है दैट एन चंद्रशेखरन हैज said that he is not going to continue as a leader of the whole Tata group. तो आप लास्ट 2 days में देखिए द मेजर फॉल was in all Tata group stocks, whether it was TCS, whether it was Tata Steel, or all those two Tata Motor components, CV and PV. उसमें मेजर करेक्शन देखने को मिला है. बट या दैट इज arising out of uncertainty because they do not have a leadership in place right now. The board meets on 18th August. They will formulate a plan, and a group like Tata cannot be left even for one day without a spearhead leader. So I am sure that before February 2027, when his term expires, term ends, they will well in advance have a leader in place, and there will be a smooth transitioning professionally done. So I don't think there is that big cause of concern that markets should punish these stocks that much. All in all, मुझे लगता है कि ये अगर punish कर रही है market तो एक अच्छी buying opportunity भी है इन stocks में, because fundamentally they are top level stocks, so there is no two questions about it.
Also, we haven't seen it for the first time. In recent times, we have also seen Cyrus Mistry and late Shri Ratan Tata, getting into that kind of a situation. So
Hmm.
I believe this is quite normal, and by say as the time, we have to give them some time, and once the leadership is announced,
Yeah, of
uh,
course. Of course, of course, of course, of course. So there is
so
no, see, uh, there is not a boardroom battle
mm, mm,
that might make things ugly for the company.
right.
Is what I want to say. So there is things are happening, and it is happening smoothly. So that is there. It's not like the group will be left with no leadership. That is not going to happen. So ठीक है, this is an initial kind of fear or something that has panic that has set in, which is driven these stocks so far down. But I don't think that is going to sustain. So those prices are not going to sustain, specifically speaking.
In that case, what are we doing in the next week?
Again, next week, Rachit, in the absence, I see the markets really fairly priced at these levels. In the absence of anything good or anything bad, I see the market going sideways only. So we will
Again,
continue.
for the entire week.
Yes, why not, Rachit? Why not? You unless see the selling zone that I talked about earlier. Okay,
Hmm.
typically 24,600 to 24,800, and उसमें आपका 200 डे मूविंग एवरेज भी आ जाता है. Okay, रचित मुझे ये बताइए कि at this point आर वी हैविंग एनीथिंग टू लुक फॉरवर्ड कि हमारे अगले 2 क्वार्टर 3 क्वार्टर इतने अच्छे होने वाले हैं कि हम इस लेवल से ब्रेकआउट करके निकल जाएं.
Not till the time we are actually entering into the festive season and witnessing a demand uptick.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट, करेक्ट. तो वो नहीं हो सकता. तो मेरे को कोई लॉजिक नहीं लगता है कि वी शुड गो बियॉन्ड 24,800 एंड सस्टेन देयर. देयर कैन बी देयर कैन बी अ फ्रेंजी बाइंग हो सकती है. FI कैन कम इन एट दिस प्राइस एंड ड्राइव इट टू 24,800 और इवन 25,000. But in my opinion, it's not going to be sustainable unless it's backed by actual consumption demand or actual, further uh, improvement by in terms of macroeconomic data and all that. So मुझे वो नहीं अभी वो purely on the basis of the data we have available. मुझे नहीं लगता कि we are equipped to cross so that Nifty crosses 24,800 and stays above 200-day moving average, sustains above that. I'm not talking about frenzy buy and then sudden sell off. मैं उसकी बात नहीं कर रहा.
चलिए.
Similarly,
और
on the downside, मुझे ये भी कुछ खराब नहीं लगता है कि 24 200 300 के नीचे भी निफ्टी को रहना चाहिए. I don't see a reason why. First of all, there is money in the market. The MF data and all of this data, the investment data, although it was for a few months not so good, not so encouraging, it has again started to improve. That is there. Also, we have enough and more liquidity in this market. तो लोअर लेवल पे बाइंग आएगी ही आएगी, रचित. और जो इस बार का कॉर्पोरेट रिजल्ट्स है, कुछ कुछ पॉकेट्स में तो एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा है. On very few selected stocks have actually disappointed. So मुझे overall
if you try and give a number to this result season, where will it be getting placed? 7, 8 out of 10?
yes, I would say 7 out of 10. I would say
So
7 out of 10. If anybody was expecting 8 or 9 out of 10, I think they were no, they were really wrong. I am markets. I believe that markets should be pretty happy with. So yes. So I feel that markets will remain in a range in the coming week, in absence of anything major which is going to happen. अगर कुछ मेजर होता है तो yes we can take a call on that, but I don't see it forthcoming. Lower end 24 300, 24 250. Upper end the 200-day moving average, which is around 24 750, 24 800. This is the sort of range that should remain in the markets.